In primetime news this evening, authorities respond to TVJ News In Focus report on sidewalk vending. Minuscule fines among the reasons for flagrant breaches. Rum shortage ahead of holiday season. We'll tell you why. And charities under scrutiny. New laws coming to prevent money laundering.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. With a preview of what's to come in the business day, here's Javon Keys.
Thanks, Janella. Well, the verdict is out. A global banking magazine has announced the top local bank. I'll tell you which one later.
All right, from Jordan, we go to Spencer. Spencer, what do you have for us in sports?
Thank you, Herman. Well, one more highly fancied team was sent packing from the World Cup today, while another produced a 6-star performance. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
I think Herman still has
World
Cup fever. It's getting to his brain. But before the break, here's a feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what can be done to curb crime during the Yuletide season?
You can share.
Share those comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet at televisionjam1. Javon.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.